Cell phone applications have come a long way in a few short years, but soon they may also become the first line of defense in a toxic gas attack. Researchers are working on what they call a smell phone, which will alert people to the presence of poisonous gases. The research, funded by the Department of Homeland Security, is being carried out at the University of California, San Diego. Professor Michael Saylor says the technology is designed to imitate the human nose.
We thought that if we could build a sensor element that had an array of many different sensors, that we could mimic what happens in the human nose. We could build a device that would be able to smell many different things, but now be able to discriminate between one and the other.
The smell phone works via an inbuilt sensor filled with tiny holes with associated color reflectors. When a poisonous gas molecule enters a hole, the color reflected by that hole changes. A tiny lens detects that change and sends an alert to the cell phone, which relays the message to emergency responders. In preliminary experiments, the sensor has been able to detect several toxic gases, including sarin, the chemical used in attacks on Tokyo's subway system in 1995, which killed 12 and hospitalized 5,000 people. Yuhua Lo of Revision, the company responsible for managing and developing the technology, says that the smell phone will allow for quick responses in attacks and fires and will be able to inform cell phone users of dangers via text message.
Our first step is to actually bring the technology to government employees, for example, first responders, firefighters, highway patrols, police, border patrol, and so on.
Revision hopes that if subsidized, the small phone chip will cost just a few cents per unit. And because 90% of the US population owns a cell phone, America's security arsenal could benefit with the addition of around 277 million very sensitive noses. Tara Cleary, Reuters.